Right now, you're watching this video because you're trying to make a decision. You need to know the real cost of owning an electric fleet. We hear it all the time. Electric vehicles are just too expensive up front. But is that really true? Today, we're breaking down the real ROI of commercial EV fleets. And what the numbers actually show may surprise you. Let's start with the biggest myth. The upfront cost. Yes, EVs can have a higher sticker price, but when you factor in lifecycle costs, the story changes completely. Businesses are already saving tens of thousands of dollars per vehicle thanks to lower fuel, fewer maintenance needs, and longer lifespans. On top of that, government programs are handing out massive incentives, from federal tax credits to local rebates, that can cut upfront costs by as much as 30%. And with new financing models like leasing and fleet-specific purchasing packages, the barrier to entry has never been lower. Now let's talk about day-to-day operations where the real magic happens. Gas prices might feel high right now, but really, they're just volatile. They swing wildly, depending on global events, seasonal demand, and economic conditions. While electricity rates, on the other hand, are far more stable. Take California, for example, where commercial electricity rates are about half the state's average gas price. That's why fleets that switch to EVs are reporting up to 60% fuel cost reductions. Factor in the maintenance advantage, no oil changes, fewer moving parts, and less wear and tear. Fleet managers are also tapping into EV-specific telematics software that optimizes routes, charging schedules, and idle time driving efficiency gains that ICE vehicles simply can't match. Of course, a big concern is what happens over the long haul. Will the battery hold up? Data shows modern EV batteries are lasting far longer than many predicted, with most retaining over 80% of their capacity even after 8 to 10 years. That translates into stronger resale values compared to internal combustion vehicles, and with carbon taxes, low emission zones, and stricter regulations just around the corner, moving to EVs is more than just smart. It's future-proofing your business. But to really understand the numbers, let's break it down even further. Check out these examples. A small package delivery company might operate 20 to 40 vehicles, with an average annual mileage of 20 to 30,000 miles per year. By switching to EVs, they could save up to 60% on fuel and maintenance costs alone, recouping their investment in about 3 to 5 years. Imagine a medium-sized school bus fleet operating 40 to 100 buses with annual mileages of 30 to 50,000 miles per year. They could save up to 70% on fuel and maintenance, making the switch pay for itself in 2 to 4 years. Finally, think of a large city transit agency operating 100 or more buses with annual mileages of 50 to 100,000 miles per year. They could save up to 80% on fuel and maintenance, making the switch to EVs in less than 1 to 3 years. So what does this mean for you? In a nutshell, the ROI of electric fleets is undeniable. It typically takes 2 to 8 years to recoup your investment through reduced fuel and maintenance costs alone, assuming a 20 to 80% reduction. And that's before factoring in the insane amount of money available in incentives. For example, the Inflation Reduction Act offers up to 30% off the purchase price of an EV+. There are state and local incentives that can slash the upfront cost of going electric by up to 50%. These savings allow you to take a larger fleet off-road and reach positive cash flow sooner. In fact, consider this. A typical diesel truck costs between $150,000 and $200,000. A comparable electric truck costs about $200,000. But with federal tax credits and state incentives, that price gap shrinks to just $40,000. At the very least, that's $40,000 you can use to expand your fleet, invest in new technology, or boost your bottom line. But let's go even deeper. The real beauty of EV fleets is how they keep paying off long after you hit that initial payback period. Think about it. Every mile an EV drives is another opportunity to save money. Your diesel fleet might be racking up an average of $10,000 in annual fuel and maintenance costs per vehicle. An EVA saves you 80% of that. That means it is earning you a $2,000 profit every year after you pay off the upfront costs. Or put another way, a diesel truck burns through its profits in 5 to 7 years before it starts making you money. An EV makes you money from day one. And the advantages don't stop at the bottom line. Think about branding. Companies running EV fleets are attracting customers, investors, and regulators who care about sustainability. Drivers love EVs too. Quieter, cleaner cabins packed with advanced tech help with recruitment and retention. Plus, consider the community impact. Less noise, cleaner air, and a healthier environment are good for everyone. And that's not even factored into the numbers. All in all, the ROI of EV fleets is unbeatable. It's like investing in stocks. You buy low, you sell high. You buy an EV at today's prices and tomorrow's lower fuel and maintenance costs, plus incentives. That's a winning formula. But what about the elephant in the room? Battery degradation. What happens if the battery doesn't hold up? Well, here's the thing. Modern EV batteries last longer than you think. They retain over 80% of their capacity even after 8 to 10 years. That means the battery won't hold you back from selling or leasing your EV for a profit. Plus, remember, used EV prices have held up well during the pandemic. Even EVs with 100,000 miles have fetched prices close to $30,000. Compare that to a used diesel truck, which might only be worth $15,000 after 100,000 miles. That's a huge difference, and all you have to do is hold on to your EVs for a few years and watch your investment grow. So we've covered fuel savings, maintenance savings, incentive money, brand value, driver satisfaction, and even battery resale value. All those factors add up to one clearer conclusion. Moving to EVs is a smarter investment, plain and simple. And look, we're not saying you should ditch your entire fleet and go green tomorrow. What we are saying is that the numbers make a strong case for taking at least some of your fleet off-road. Maybe start with one EV and see how it performs. Talk to your driver, get feedback, analyze the data, and see how it impacts your bottom line. We know what you're thinking. Where do I even start? We got you covered. Click the link below to download our free guide to going green in your fleet. It's full of practical tips and advice from industry experts. And once you're ready to dive deeper, book a free consultation with our team. We'll analyze your unique situation and help you develop a plan that fits your needs. The fact is, the future of transportation is electric, and the sooner you jump on board, the sooner you'll start seeing the incredible ROI for yourself. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody who still believes UV fleets do you and they make financial sense. Because as we've just seen, the numbers tell a very different story. Thank you for watching.